Are you tired of trying countless supplements that promise to boost testosterone levels but still do not give results? Today I'm going to talk about the only powerful plants that you need to naturally boost testosterone levels. These herbs have been confirmed by science and have proven their effectiveness in human studies. Increasing testosterone levels is a task that requires a comprehensive approach, and supplements alone are not enough. Lifestyle changes play a key role, and first of all, the diet. Men need to increase their protein intake, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts and seeds in their diet. Healthy fats are also important, which are found in abundance in olive oil, fish, nuts and avocados. Vegetables, fruits and greens are a storehouse of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, necessary for the overall strengthening of the body and increasing testosterone levels. Physical activity also plays an important role. Moderate exercise, regular walking, running, cycling helps to increase testosterone levels. It is important not to overdo it so as not to overload the body. Weight control is another important factor. A decrease in testosterone levels increases the risk of developing obesity, so you should keep the weight at normal values. Lack of sleep can also negatively affect testosterone levels. Doctors recommend sleeping at least 6 hours and following a sleep schedule. Wake up and fall asleep at the same time, even on weekends. Avoid staying up late or getting enough sleep before lunch. Stick to your regular schedule. Quitting bad habits is also an important step towards increasing testosterone levels. Natural testosterone levels are crucial for overall well-being. Testosterone plays a vital role in muscle growth, improves mood and energy levels. It is the main male hormone that is necessary to maintain muscle mass, bone density and overall health. However, maintaining testosterone levels at a high level in the long term is not easy due to the body's natural tendency to maintain homeostasis. The body constantly strives for balance and stability, which means that any temporary increase in testosterone levels can be quickly neutralized by the body's regulatory mechanisms. In this text, we will look at powerful herbs that can help you achieve and maintain higher testosterone levels naturally. Start with fenugreek extract, in particular with the testophene variety. The Greek extract testophene is famous for its remarkable ability to almost double the level of testosterone. A major study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research in 2011 showed that men who took a certain fenugreek extract had a significant increase in both total and free testosterone levels. A few weeks have passed, and the results have shown a steady increase in testosterone levels, which highlights fenugreek's potential as a powerful natural supplement to achieve these impressive results. It is important to use the correct extract form and dosage. The effectiveness of fenugreek extract largely depends on its concentration and extraction method. Testophene is a patented fenugreek extract that has been specially developed to increase testosterone levels. Using the right dosage is the key to maximizing the effect and ensuring safety. A dosage of about 600 mg per day is usually recommended, but it is important to follow the specific instructions on the product you choose. In addition to increasing testosterone levels, fenugreek extract has a number of other significant benefits. It has been proven that fenugreek not only contributes to a more fulfilling personal life, but also reflects the overall hormonal balance and well-being of a person. In addition, fenugreek promotes the development of muscle mass and overall physical performance, which makes it an excellent choice for those who want to increase their strength, endurance and athletic performance. Fenugreek also improves metabolism, reduces body fat, and even supports the health of the cardiovascular system, making it a comprehensive supplement to maintain men's health. By including fenugreek extract in your diet, you can experience a comprehensive improvement in your physical and hormonal condition, which will pave the way for a more energetic lifestyle. The next powerful herb that can help you boost your testosterone levels is Tonat Ali, also known as Long Jack. Tonat Ali is another powerful plant that naturally increases testosterone levels. When used in concentrated form, for example, as an extract, Tonat Ali, as shown in a study published in the journal International Society of Sports Nutrition, significantly increases the level of both total and free testosterone. A nutrition study in 2013 showed that men who took standardized Tonat Ali extract over a certain period had significantly increased testosterone levels. Ali, a powerful natural stimulant, is known for its ability to increase testosterone levels. Its effectiveness lies in the fact that it enhances the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, which stimulates the testicles to increase testosterone production. An increase in both total and free testosterone provides a more pronounced effect, since it is free testosterone that is a biologically active form that is easily absorbed by the body. Ali has a profound effect on endurance, has traditionally been used to boost energy, and modern research confirms its role in increasing drive and performance in men who include it in their diet. In addition to improving physical performance, Ali also has a beneficial effect on energy levels. An increase in testosterone leads to increased overall energy, reduced fatigue, and improved concentration. This makes Ali an excellent choice not only for improving physical performance and muscle growth, but also for increasing daily energy and endurance. To enhance and support the effects of Ali, you can add oat straw, Avena sativa, to your diet, a powerful plant known for its natural properties that increase testosterone levels when used as a concentrated extract in a ratio of 10:1. It has been proven that oat straw has a significant positive effect on health, especially in terms of increasing attraction in both men and women. Research published in the journal Phytomedicine in 2014 showed that oat straw extract effectively increases sexual desire and satisfaction, making it a popular choice for those who want to improve their intimate life naturally. Oat straw releases bound testosterone, increasing the level of free testosterone in the body. This active form of testosterone is essential for various physiological functions, including muscle growth, energy levels, and overall health. Oat straw not only stimulates, but also helps to increase overall vitality and well-being. It has been known for its safety and effectiveness for centuries, and is traditionally used in folk medicine to treat various diseases and promote overall health due to its natural composition. In addition, oat straw is known for its positive effects on mood and cognitive functions. It helps reduce stress and anxiety, which indirectly supports healthy testosterone levels by minimizing cortisol production. This dual action makes oat straw a versatile and effective herb for improving both physical and mental health. In addition to Ali and oat straw, there is another important plant that helps maintain healthy testosterone levels by mimicking the action of luteinizing hormone, ensuring continuous testosterone production. This is Foglia agrestis, a wonderful plant known for its ability to increase testosterone levels by mimicking the action of luteinizing hormone, LH. LH is a key hormone that signals the testicles to produce more testosterone. By mimicking the effects of LH, Foglia agrestis effectively increases testosterone production, which leads to improved physical condition and overall health. A study published in the Asian Journal of Andrology in 2005 showed that Foglia agrestis significantly increases testosterone levels in male rats, indicating its potential effectiveness in humans when used in a concentrated extract in a ratio of 10:1. Agrestis shows promising results in increasing testosterone levels. This special form of the extract, due to the high concentration of active substances, provides maximum benefit. In addition to boosting testosterone levels, agrestis enhances desire and drive, making it a popular choice for those who seek to increase their overall life satisfaction. The herb's ability to enhance desire improves intimate relationships and promotes overall well-being and self-confidence. Agrestis also promotes muscle growth and recovery, which makes it an excellent choice for athletes and people who want to improve their physical performance. Its multifaceted benefits make it a powerful plant for those who want to improve their hormonal levels. Consider another herb that complements these benefits by further boosting testosterone levels and improving overall health by providing a comprehensive approach to naturally increasing testosterone levels. Protodiosine terrestris extract, especially when standardized to 90-20% protodiosine extract, is a powerful plant known for its ability to naturally increase testosterone levels. This powerful form of the extract ensures that the active compounds, especially protodiosine, are present in high concentrations, increasing the effectiveness of the plant. A study published in the journal Ethnopharmacology in 2008 showed that Trios terry significantly increases the level of luteinizing hormone LH, which in turn stimulates the production of testosterone in the body. Tribulose terries increases the level of LH, the most important hormone that signals the testicles to produce more testosterone. The natural production of testosterone in the body, leading to improved physical performance, muscle mass and overall vitality, is one of the undeniable advantages of terry true. Also, due to its long history of use in traditional medicine to enhance attraction and performance, this herb has significant effectiveness, which makes it a popular choice for those who seek to improve their intimate life naturally. Terries is known for its benefits in stimulating muscle growth and recovery. Athletes and bodybuilders often use this herb to support their workouts and improve physical performance. The increased testosterone levels that terry's supplement provides can lead to increased muscle mass, strength, and endurance. Continuing to study these powerful herbs, let's consider another essential herb that not only increases testosterone levels, but also helps balance female hormones, providing a holistic approach to hormonal health. Ashwagandha extract is a powerful adaptogenic plant that plays a dual role in increasing testosterone levels and reducing stress hormones. This unique combination makes it an invaluable plant. Ashwagandha, known for its ability to lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, is a valuable tool for naturally increasing testosterone levels and improving overall well-being. Elevated cortisol levels negatively affect testosterone production, which can lead to various health problems. A study published in the journal The International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2015 showed that the dietary supplement ashwagandha increases testosterone levels in men while reducing stress. Study participants who took ashwagandha showed a significant increase in testosterone levels, which had a positive effect on muscle growth, strength and overall vitality. Ashwagandha extract has a particularly powerful antioxidant effect due to its high concentration of active substances. This makes ashwagandha an ideal choice for those who face the pressures of a modern lifestyle, because stress is a common factor in hormonal imbalance. By mitigating its effects, ashwagandha helps maintain a healthy hormonal balance, which not only stimulates testosterone production, but also improves overall mental and physical health. Studies have confirmed the effectiveness of ashwagandha, making it a reliable plant for long-term use. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha is used to maintain various aspects of health, from increasing energy levels to improving cognitive function and reducing anxiety. Another valuable herb that plays a crucial role in balancing female hormones and providing comprehensive support for hormonal health is dim, a powerful compound derived from cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts. DIM plays an important role in maintaining a healthy balance of testosterone and estrogen by reducing the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. This conversion process is carried out by the aromatase enzyme, which becomes more active with age, which leads to an increase in estrogen levels and a decrease in testosterone levels in men. DIM inhibits the aromatase enzyme, thereby reducing the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. This helps to maintain a higher level of active testosterone in the body, contributing to improved muscle mass, growth stimulation and overall energy levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition Biochemistry in 2008 highlighted DIM's ability to modulate estrogen metabolism. Maintaining a healthy testosterone-estrogen ratio is necessary to prevent the negative effects of excess estrogen, such as increased body fat, decreased muscle mass and decreased motor activity. DIM helps control estrogen levels, ensuring that testosterone remains the dominant hormone that is vital for men's health and vitality. Due to its role in hormonal balance, DIM has significant benefits for prostate health. High levels of estrogen and estrogen-like compounds in the body can contribute to the development of prostatitis, prostate enlargement and other problems. By reducing estrogen levels, DIM supports prostate health and helps prevent related problems. In 2005, the Institute of Biological Chemistry made an important discovery. DIM, diindolylmethane, promotes apoptosis programmed cell death in prostate cancer cells. This discovery highlights the potential of DIM as a cancer defense tool. In addition, DIM plays a key role in maintaining hormonal balance, which has beneficial effects on mood, energy levels and overall metabolic health. Consider another powerful herb that complements these benefits by supporting testosterone levels and overall body health. White mushroom extract. It is a potent plant known for its ability to lower estrogen levels, thereby contributing to a healthy hormonal balance in men. The extract of white champignons acts by inhibiting the aromatase enzyme, which is responsible for the conversion of testosterone into estrogen. By reducing the activity of this enzyme, the extract helps maintain high testosterone levels while controlling estrogen levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Cancer in 2006 showed that white mushroom extract effectively suppresses aromatase activity, which leads to a decrease in estrogen levels. The synergy between the extract of white champignons and DIM is especially interesting. Both of these compounds reduce estrogen levels, but by different mechanisms. DIM alters estrogen metabolism, contributing to the production of less powerful forms of estrogen, and white mushroom extract directly inhibits aromatase. When used together, they provide a comprehensive approach to maintaining a healthy balance of testosterone and estrogen, which is crucial to prevent symptoms of estrogen dominance, such as decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and decreased motor activity. In addition to hormone-balancing properties, white mushroom extract has a number of other health benefits. One of the notable benefits is the support of the immune system. These mushrooms are rich in biologically active compounds such as polysaccharides, which enhance immune function. In the Journal of Nutrition in 2007, it was discovered that white mushroom extract can increase the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from infections and cancer. In addition, the extract of white champignons has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These beneficial properties contribute to overall health and well-being by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are common factors underlying many chronic diseases. The combination of these powerful herbs in a single dietary supplement can enhance their beneficial properties. The unique and vital role of these herbs in naturally increasing testosterone levels and maintaining overall health is evident from this brief overview.